pH Miracle Diet Cooking Tips. Adopting the pH Miracle Diet way of life means changing your approach to eating and cooking. Many people make the transition easily, but for others the pH Miracle Diet makes them enter the foreign territory of fresh vegetables and vegetarian protein sources. There is an endless supply of alkalizing recipes in the pH Miracle Diet books and online. You will never be out of meal ideas if you take the time to look for new recipes each week. Although at first the meals and methods may be unfamiliar, they will become second nature with practice. Many people who start on the pH Miracle Diet way of eating do not know where to start. Their diets used to consist primarily of packaged foods, meats and other acid-forming choices. While it's okay to eat these foods occasionally, the vast majority of their recipes and meal choices are now a thing of the past. This may seem overwhelming at first, but really you only need to find 10 recipes that you like and can make well. That's all that most families and individuals use. If you rotate only 2 or 3 dinner recipes, you are going to get burned out on the program fast. Try a few new recipes each week and build your portfolio of alkalizing meals until you have 10 meals that you and your family love to eat. Look over the list of alkalizing foods, and take note of which foods that you and your family already enjoy. Then try to find more recipes that incorporate those tastes and textures. This will be much easier and enjoyable for your family to adapt to if you start with foods they already like, then all of a sudden introduce tofu, kale and dandelion root. One of the first recipes you should try is an alkalizing broth. There are many variations but basically, the broth is made from alkalizing vegetables and distilled water. The broth has a lot of necessary minerals and can help restore pH balance to your body. It promotes the internal cleansing of all of the tissues and organs of the body. This broth can be used as a basis for more complex soups, or it can be served as a first course before any meal. Many fans of the pH Miracle Diet rely on juices to help cleanse their bodies of excess acidity. There are many popular juice recipes and they would be a good addition to your new way of eating. The juices can be consumed as a quick breakfast or a snack sometime throughout the day. Most can be made in a blender, so you don't need a fancy juicer. If you have children at home, you may be worried about finding recipes that they will love. There are many children's vegetarian cookbooks that can be adapted for the alkaline diet by substituting certain vegetables. A lot of tasty fruits like apples, raspberries and strawberries are on the alkaline list. Sweet potatoes, which are a favorite of many children once they try them, are highly alkalizing foods and are good for the winter months. In the summertime, celery and other fresh veggies are a great snack and can be dipped in homemade hummus or a dip made from mayonnaise and lemon juice. With a little practice and research, making alkalizing meals will become second nature to you and your family.